If your Temu coupon code keeps failing, disappearing, or doing nothing at checkout, you're not alone. This happens to a lot of people, and it's usually for one simple reason. Let me show you how to fix it without wasting time. First things first, I've put the working Temu coupon code right here on the screen, and it's also in the description and pinned comment, along with a couple of backup codes that are still active. Now here's why your coupon code keeps failing. Most people try to enter the code at checkout or paste it randomly in the app. When you do that, Temu often ignores the code completely. Here's the correct way. Step 1. Click the first link in the description. This step matters. The link connects the coupon to your account. Once the page opens, you'll see a QR code. Step 2. Scan the QR code with your phone to activate the coupon. If you're on desktop and can't scan, no problem. You will also see a coupon code you can enter manually to get the same discount. After that, the coupon is added to your Temu account. Step 3. Go shopping like normal and add your items to the cart. At checkout, tap available coupons and make sure the coupon is selected manually. If you don't tap it, Temu won't apply the discount, and that's why it looks like the code failed. I've tested this myself, and the price drop is instant once the coupon is selected. Temu updates these coupon codes often, so if one stops working, check the description. I keep it updated with the latest active ones. Click the link, activate the coupon properly, and your discount should apply without any issues. If it finally works for you, drop a comment. I like seeing when people get it working.